Hi viewers, today I have come up with a superb session that is called how you can rid of laziness. If you are too lazy, what you do? You procrastinate, you postpone all your work. But have you ever thought how to rid of this laziness? Let me give you quick tips. There are 7 tips you can practice today onwards. By only watching this video will not give you any strength to rid of your laziness, but I am recommending you to practice these techniques. The first technique I recommend is Kaizen. Kaizen is a Japanese method, Japanese word actually. So the technique came from Japan. What they say, you can split up into little chunks, small chunks. It means if you have a big goal, you have to break it up. Step by step you can achieve. So if you look at the big picture, you feel like hard, so that you are trying to give up. Your mind says it's so hard, so that don't look at the big picture, look at the small picture. Little by little you can achieve. If you are a salesperson, if you are given an amazing sales target, sometimes you feel like it's hard. But if you can split up, if you can put it up in little or small chunks, yes, of course you can achieve. That's so easy. That is one of great method. Kaizen is a great method you can use to quit your laziness. Number 2, the second method is love your goal. You must love your goal. If you love something, anyhow you do that. If you don't love, you always try to give some reasons why you don't do. So that, my dear good friends, always you look positive. You ask yourself, what is the benefit for me? Try to see the positivity. Always you talk to yourself, okay, if I have done this, of course I can brand myself. If I quickly do this, rest of the time I can be in rest. My dear good friends, always love your goal. If you don't love, obviously you can't achieve anything. So that this is one of great technique you can practice. Always love what you do. Number 3, you must go to the place. Go to the place means, as an example, if you wanna read a book, but if you feel like lazy, that is okay. You just go to library. Even you do read or not, that is okay, but you go to the library. When you go to library, automatically your mind says to read books. As another example, if you want to maintain your body, you must go to the gym. But if you feel like lazy, that is okay. You don't need to do exercise, but you go to gym anyway. You have to go to the place. When you go to the place, then automatically you will turn to do something. At least one thing you do on that particular day. So the fourth technique is you must organize your life and take off all the unwanted, not important things out. Only you do very, very important things, so that you need to have a checklist. In that checklist, jot down what are the important, vital things you have to do in the ordinary days. Always give the priority for the important things. Then rest of the things you can do later on. The fifth technique is never say I'm lazy. Whenever you say you are lazy, your mind accepts you are a lazy man. Then your mind will not give you a strength to do work. So you will be lazy. So my good friends, as an affirmations, every day in the morning, you can talk to yourself like you are very active, you are so dynamic. Speak to yourself as you are an amazing person. You are so active person. Likewise, never say you are so lazy. Never say to anyone you are so lazy. The 6th technique is you must train your brain. How do you train your brain? Whenever you procrastinate, whenever you postpone your things, your brain believes that you don't do anything as you promised. You can train your brain from little steps. As an example, you can say like today 5 p.m. I'm going to clap twice. But you got to do that. Whenever you promise to your brain, you must do little things. Again, you may say by 6 p.m. I'm going to sing a song. Yes, you can sing a song at 6 p.m. Likewise, at least 3 things commit yourself to do. Whenever you do that as you promise, your brain believes you are a perfect person and you do as you promise. So that is the way how your brain. So then your brain supports you. Then your brain gives you a strength. That is psychology. And the last technique is physically you must be stable, strong. So what are the things you have to do? Every day, never quit your breakfast. Have your breakfast. Breakfast is mandatory. Have your breakfast regularly. That is mandatory. Never quit your breakfast. Because all the energy, all the neurons in the morning are very, very active, so that you need energy. So each and every day to start up your work, you need more energy, so that never quit your breakfast. Have a healthy food. Also wake up early morning. Try to wake up at least before 5. 4 to 5 is the best time where you can wake up. When you wake up early morning, you will have good energy, then you can start up your work with good energy. Do exercise. At least you can do 2 minutes per day. Then you can slowly, you can increase the time period. And lastly, have a good sleep. At least you must have 6 to 8 hours sleep. If you don't have a good sleep, your body will not get programmed, so that you need to have good sleep. So if you practice these techniques regularly, you can easily quit your laziness and you can be dynamic, active person, 100% sure, guaranteed. I always say to my trainees, your life is in your hand. You have to take the decision, either to be super strong, either to be lethargic. It's your turn. Have yourself a fabulous day. Thank you very much. I'm Rex Pitiage.